Hello everyone. The next topic I have chosen is Java real-time examples with class and objects. Whenever we write a Java program, the first initial thing that we are supposed to know is what is a class and what is an object. Class, the first point you're supposed to remember is class and objects in any object-oriented programming language revolves around real-life entities. That is, we will be developing software for any of the real-time requirements. That is, what is a class? A class is a user-defined blueprint from which objects are created. What is an object? An object is an instance of a class. Now, looking to the example, one real-time example I have considered here is of a car. For example, there is a class called car. This car will be having in common, it will be having its own set of properties and its own set of methods. That is the common functionality. But when coming to one particular type, it will be having its own set of properties and it will be having its own set of methods. For example, I have taken an object of type Ford and another object of type Toyota. So Ford will be having its own properties and methods and Toyota will be having its own set of properties and methods. Here the class, it becomes just a blueprint. The actual functioning will be within the particular car types. So that will be the object. So it is a class and a object. I have taken many different examples with different domains where I can classify it as class and objects. We will look at each and every example here. Look here, the next one I have taken is the class called human, where I can derive two objects I can have two derivations from the human class, that one is man and other is women. So the next one is mobile. I can have two different extensions from it. One is iOS operating system and other one is the Android operating system. The next one is the banking sector. For the banking sector, I can have look here, I can have the depositing and I can have the withdrawal. For the smart city domain, I can have the smart card and the facilities provided by it. And for the next domain, for the railways, I can have the bookings, how it is done, and the cancellation. Here it can vary for each and every state. How is the booking facility provided? How is the cancellation provided? It all depends on different states. And for the electricity billing also, I can have the billing section, I can have the payment methodology. Here I have explained you with only two different instance of objects, but it can be taken much more. The next one is the e-healthcare domain, where I can have two this one derivations for the instance of objects. One is the doctor and the mode of treatment that is being provided. So these are the different methods that has been written, and you can think of more also. And here it is the education domain, where engineering students have to know certain different set of information and medical students have to know different set of information. Here, for the example sake, I have very widely given certain real-time examples in the real-time examples in Java, where you can think of programming. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you.